Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can archive mails in Outlook. So here you can see I have a couple of mails here and I wanna archive some of them. So for that we just need to select them like this, and once you select those mails which you wanna archive, you're gonna see the option just at the top in Home tab. So just click on this option Archive, and once you do that the mails would be get under Archive folder. And how you can access that, to access them just click on these three horizontal lines and click on the option Archive. And yeah, you can see all of the mails are just right here. Whenever you wanna delete them, you can just select them like this, and here you have the option to delete them. And similarly, if you wanna put them again in the inbox, you can just select them, go to move to option, and either you can put them in inbox or outbox. We'll just select inbox, and that's where you can again restore them. But yeah, that's it. This is how you can archive emails in Outlook 365. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.